Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how you can install 1pixmedia Media on any smart TV. So there are two methods that I will share in this video. The first method is direct install for any Android or Google TV. For that, just enable unknown sources. For that, go to settings, security and restrictions and allow unknown sources. Then simply download one Pix Media APK file. For that, use the TV's browser to visit one Pix Media official site, a trusted source like APKMirror. Then simply install via File Manager. Open Files or Downloads, select the APK file and just install the app. So this is the first method. The second method is site load via USB. For that, first of all, download the APK file on the PC. Get the 1pixmedia Media APK file from a trusted site. Simply transfer it into USB and then simply just install on TV. For that, just plug USB into TV. Use File Manager. For example, you can use EX Explorer to install your app. So these are the two methods that you can use. Thank you for watching.